Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal. Features also include navigation system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2015 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.